Successful property managers make 40% more revenue by following these hidden strategies most beginners ignore. First, implement a strict tenant screening process. Check credit scores, employment history, and references thoroughly. Your property's success depends on quality tenants. Master your maintenance schedule. Create a detailed calendar for seasonal inspections, filter changes, and preventive repairs. This saves thousands in emergency fixes. Automate rent collection using property management software. Late payments drop by 60% when tenants have easy digital payment options. Document everything. Take photos before move-ins. Keep detailed maintenance records and save all communication. This protects you legally and financially. Build a reliable contractor network. Have at least 3 backup vendors for each service. Emergency calls at 2 a.m. become manageable when you have options. Create crystal-clear lease agreements. Include every detail about pets, maintenance responsibilities, and rent penalties. Clarity prevents disputes. Monitor your market. Check local rental rates quarterly and adjust accordingly. You're losing money if you're undercharging. Maintain regular property inspections. Quarterly walkthroughs catch small issues before they become expensive problems. Master your financial tracking. Separate accounts for each property, track every expense, and maintain organized tax records. Prioritize tenant communication. Respond within 24 hours, send monthly updates, and be transparent about changes. Happy tenants stay longer. These strategies transform my properties from money pits to profit machines. Start implementing them today and watch your management success soar.